Unified Mentor.
Hi,
Thank you
myself
for the
Drishti.
opportunity,
I have completed
and
my
I loved
internship
working
with
with
Unified
you
Mentor
as
as a
an
full
intern.
stack web development
I
intern. It was
love
a
the way you
great learning
explain the
experience.
topics in
I got
detail.
to work on
I
the
love the
projects like
projects that
weather
made
app,
me
which uses
work with the
API integration, or
database
student
and the
teacher
data
booking
sets, and I
appointments,
love
which also
all
uses Firebase
the
and Cloud
staff
Firestore.
for
I
their
had
valuable time. They
such a
were
great
ready to
time
solve
working
my
on this
queries
project, which
at the
makes my
spot.
knowledge or my theoretical
Thank you,
knowledge worked
Unified
into the
Mentor.
practical ones. It improved my
Unified
skills
Mentor,
in HTML,
thank you for the
CSS, JavaScript,
opportunity,
and
and
also I
I
happen to
loved
learn new
working with
skills
you
like
as an
React, Node,
intern.
and
I
Firebase as
loved
well.
the way you explain the
I had
topics
such
in
a great
detail.
time. Overall,
I
the
love the
mentors
projects
in Unified
that
Mentor
made
are
me
so
work
supportive.
with the
Any doubts can be
database
solved
and
if
the
I
data
message them or
sets,
call
and I
them in
love
any time,
all
which
the
was a great thing
staff
which makes
for
every
their
task
valuable
easier.
time. They were ready to
Thank you,
solve my
Unified
queries
Mentor, for giving me
at the
this
spot.
opportunity, and I'll recommend to all the
Thank
students
you,
to gain the
Unified
work
Mentor.
experience and the real life
Unified Mentor,
experiences.
thank you
Thank you.
for the opportunity.